everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we will showcase one of our case studies in which we performed data analysis on sales data of the company using Power BI tools. The client requirements are as follows. Using Power BI tools, we have to verify how many regions are in the company, total sales per item, maximum sales in the central region, unit cost per item, publish the data on the cloud Power BI service. A quick introduction to Power BI. Power BI is the most effective data visualization and business intelligence tool using to fetch data from various sources. Power BI desktop app is used to create reports, while Power BI services is used to publish the reports. Tools used for data analysis. Power BI desktop. Power BI service. Let me show the component of the Power BI desktop and the steps we performed to import data in Power BI. Clean or transform data. Create a report using different graphs, publish the data on the Power BI service and create a dashboard. Let's get started with the demo part. Here is the window of the Power BI desktop and these are the components of Power BI. We can import data here from different sources. We have three panes here: filter, visualization and fields. So, the imported data shows in the field pane. So here is our data. If the data is already transformed or clean, there is no need to transform data. So my data is already clean. So I don't have to transform data. If I have to transform data, then we have to use the transform data option from this again. So our next step is to use visualization. Here am I using a pie chart. So our next step is to add data fields here. So I'm using items in legend and unit cost in the values. So these are the items we have and the items are displayed in visualization form. We can perform a query on data using right click. So this is the cost of the binder per unit. So our next step is to publish the data to the Power BI service. So we have to use publish option. Firstly, we have to save the data and here am I using my workspace. So as it already exists, we have to use replace this data set. So all the saved data has been navigated to the Power BI service. This is my workplace and you can see the visualization here. Our next step is to create a dashboard. A dialog box appears. Here I will select Create a new dashboard, fill in the name in the dashboard name field and then click on Go to Dashboard. The dashboard is successfully created. The name of the dashboard, Items, is displayed here in my workspace. We can perform a query from here. So here we have the field to ask any questions about our data. Let's take a query. Top region by total sales. The result shows that Central is the top region by sales. Creating a dashboard displays the graphical and pictorial representation of the data. This is how we performed data analysis in Power BI. Thanks for watching this video. Do you require any assistance with web development or app development project? You can undoubtedly rely upon us to meet all your development needs. Contact an expert team of developers at ForceBolt who can give you a technical consulting and satisfy your demands as they are knowledgeable in both technology and have experience in their specific niche.